Welcome. How are you? Can you teach me 5 sentences in Tagalog? I will ask you in English and you will tell me in Tagalog, okay? Deal? All right. How do you say how are you?
Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka? How do you say thank you?
Salamat.
Salamat. Okay. How do you say what time is it? The time. What is the time?
Anong oras na?
Anu oras na.
Yeah,
Wow.
very good.
How do you say I am hungry? Yeah, you can tell me. Take your time. Like, how do you say I'm hungry?
Gutom ako.
Gutom ako.
Yeah.
Really, I'm saying it okay? Wow. Okay, last one. All right. How do you say I love Philippines in Tagalog?
Hmm, mahal ko ang Pilipinas.
Mahal ko Pilipinas. Okay, I'm trying. I'm trying my best, but it's not easy. I'll tell you how to say I love Bangladesh in Bangla, which is my language, okay?
Ami Bangladesh ভালোবাসি.
Wow, perfect. Salamat.
Ami
Salamat
Bangladesh
po.
What is how are you in Bangladesh? Emon at show.
Perfect.
And what is I'm ugly.
Interesting sentence.
Ami kutsit.
Yeah.
How are you?
Oh, it's Camonacho.